What is up, you guys? Today, come and join me as I go and prepare my day. After waking up, the first thing that I do in the morning is to pray. It's been a part of my life ever since, and ito na rin yung time na ginagamit ko for me to meditate and be grateful about everything in life. And then I get up, and yes, I am not a morning person. So, yan po ang reality. Hindi talaga ako agad kumikilo sa umaga. After a few minutes, I will then go and get myself a tall glass of water. This habit has helped me kasi acidic ako, guys, and I get bloated throughout the day, so this habit has been very helpful for me. I then go to take a bath once gising na yung diwa ko. Also if na-feel ko na kailangan ko na mag-poops. And I'm done. Bilis, diba? Yung pagligo ko would usually take about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm currently using Rexona Quantum Dry Deo Spray because I could really get up to 48-hour odor protection with this. Then it's time to wash my face. Yes, in the morning, hindi ko sinasabay yung paggamit ng cleanser sa pagligo when I'm using Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser because it is applied on a dry skin, also known as dry cleansing method. I'm using paper towel to dry my face. I've been using this whitening repair toner from Luxe Organix for more than 2 months now. And I love it. It brightens my face kahit sa unang week ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. And I usually use my palms to apply this toner. But today, I will use a cotton pad. Guys, be gentle when using cotton on your face. Padaanan nyo lang, alright? Sakto na yon. As my serum, I'm using this Apotheke 10% Niacinamide as some of you have requested. Kasabay ko siyang ginamit with the Luxe Organix Niacinamide Brightening Toner. And I usually go for 3 pumps. And this serum does the same thing with the ordinary niacinamide serum. It helps with keeping my skin look healthy and it regulates my oiliness. Almost 2 months ago, I've decided to include an essence to my morning routine. This is Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence from Cosrx. And as you can see, ayan, galing sa snail, malapot siya, right? And this is so good. It's nourishing, it's hydrating. This is just so good. And as my moisturizer, I'll be using this Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel from Luxe Organix. I like how this gel makes my skin look fresh and less oily. Like parang wala kang moisturizer na ginamit but your face looks fresh. Tagal ko na itong ginagamit, as you can see, paubos na siya. So, Luxe Organix, baka naman. And of course, sunscreen. I'm still using Quickfx, but I'm looking for other alternatives. Do you guys have any suggestions? Comment it down in the comment section. Let us now fix my hair. So far, this Claydo 360 from Bench ang masasabi kong perfect for me with the medium length hair. Compared to the classic Claydo, this one is a lot lighter on the hair. It smells so good, it smells better, the texture is great, and the best thing about this clay is it is so much easier to rinse off, like legit, madali siyang hugasan. Excuse my pink na suklay, kay Hara yan. Say hi to her. She's the one filming me. And then I'll make my breakfast. It usually consists of very few things. 2 eggs, brown rice, saging. Right? If I'm not eating rice, I substitute it with oatmeal. But for today, this is what I'm gonna eat. After eating, I will then take my vitamins. And then it's time to dress up. Today, I chose to wear my blue Oxford button-down shirt. And of course, di natin pwedeng kalimutan, we wear a fragrance. Now it's time to go to the office. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also follow me on Instagram. You guys stay safe, and as always, I'll see you on my next video. Peace.